Hi, today we'll be introducing the GAD 104 from Glory Star Group. This is the GAD 104 10.4 inch advertising display from Glory Star Group. And in the front we have the LED power light, remote control sensor, and motion sensor. And in the back we have three controllable buttons, the menu, and the volume up or up, and volume down or down. And here we have the FIX mount for mounting systems for in-store shelves. And on the side we have lockable cases. Right here we have USB, volume up, volume down, power on off, and a DC in. On the other side we have SD card, and right here we have a Kingston lock for security purposes. And that is all. Thank you. For more information, please go to our website at www.glorystargroup.com. Thank you.